So in the Hurricane app, you can control all the HVAC. On the main menu, if you go to the first icon there, this will allow you to control the heating and the air conditioning in both the cabin and in the helm. Able to go to cool or heat for each unit. Same functions there. You're able to switch between the cabin and the helm to change temperature. And then if you want to sync them together to where they're both on cool, you can hit the sync button, and any temperature change that you do there will allow you to control both units. We also have the control units in the locations of the helm and the cabin that are separate from the GUI.